Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on/off do not disturb mode on the iPhone. So it's really easy in order to actually turn this on and off. So there are a few ways to do this, and in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how. So let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So what you simply want to do is, if you want to enable or disable it, is simply head into your control center from simply by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, just like this is your control center, and then right here next to your brightness settings, you will see this do not disturb option, and if I simply disable it, it will be called focus. So what you can simply do is go to your control center and then right here on focus, and if your do not disturb is actually enabled, then you will see something like this. So let me quickly show you guys. Then do not disturb, and it will say it's on. In order to actually disable it, literally all you need to do is click on it, and then it will just say focus, and this means that do not disturb is actually off. What you can also do in order to simply turn it on again is simply just hold this focus right here, and then you can simply click on do not disturb, and then do not disturb is enabled. What you can also do in order to enable or disable do not disturb is heading into settings, and then literally all you need to do is click on focus, and then right here you have do not disturb, and here you have some extra settings, but here you can also turn it on and off. You can even add a schedule and all those kind of things, but the easiest and quickest way on how to turn it on/off is by going into your control center, then clicking on focus, and then simply clicking on do not disturb on and off. That's all you need to do. So that's how you can turn on/off do not disturb mode on the iPhone. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.